Israeli Air Force violated Lebanese airspace. This was reported by the Lebanese national news agency on Monday. According to the agency, Israeli aircraft were seen on Sunday evening in the sky over Beirut and its environs. It is noted that they continue to fly at medium altitude. Lebanon has repeatedly sent complaints to the United Nations Security Council, accusing Israel of violating its sovereignty. Beirut considers Israeli flights a violation of United Nations Security Council Resolution 1701, which established a ceasefire on the border after the conflict in the summer of 2006.